Okay, so okay, okay, guys. So today I will be explaining about Tides ATT Volume One. So this is a March 2026 question. Find the height of tide at 1030 hours on 16th March 1992 at Hilbury Island. This is port number 461. So this is ATT Volume 1. I have done volume 2 in the previous part. Volume 2 and volume 3 are same in the procedures, but volume 1 is comparatively different from volume 2 and volume 3. The difference means the time procedure is entirely different from volume 2 and volume 3. So, this we have to first go to the tide table and we have to check for the Hilbury Island. So we have to check for the standard ports in volume 1. Hilbury, you have to check for the alphabetic order. So Hilbury means okay. So it is a secondary port. It is not a standard port. So we have to go in the geographical index. In the geographical index, you go and find Hilbury Island. Okay, so Hilbury Island will come here. So the port number 461. 461 and that port will be Hilbury port in 461. So you have to go 461. One will come here, Hilbury Island, and the standard port is Liverpool. Okay, the same procedure what we done in the volume 2 and volume 3. Go to the Liverpool. Go to the Liverpool. Okay, this is Liverpool, and we have to find for 16th March. Okay, so we have to write for 16th March. So 16th March, we have to write 0325. So standard port. So standard port is Liverpool. Liverpool, and for 16th March. Okay. So 0325 is 1.9. 0908 is 8.7. 1604 is 1.2, and 2141 is 8.9. Okay. So after this we have to go back to the this traditional table. So in traditional table, Hilbury Island, you can see the standard port is given. This you have to check for this. Okay, for Liverpool, the high water and low water time is given like 000, 0600 and 1200, 1800, and for low water 0200 to 0700 and 1400 to 1900. Okay, this is the time you have to take, and we have to find for this minus 0015, minus 0012, minus 0010, and minus 0015. Okay, so we will be going to do like first we will check. This is low water, this is high water, this is low water, this is high water. Okay, now first we will be writing like high water, and the time is 0000 to 0600, then 1200 to 1800. Okay, then low water is 0200 to 0700, 1400 to 1900. Okay, now for Hilbury Island, the time duration is like minus 0015 to minus 0012, and for low water it's minus 0010, minus 0015. Okay, you can see I have taken directly 0015, 0012 here, 0010, 0015 here. Okay, for your reference you can write this is for standard and this is for secondary. Okay, now we will be doing each time. Okay, each time we will be taking and we will be doing separately. Okay, it's quite lengthy. Actually, it's not difficult, but it's quite lengthy to change its real time. That's why it take time. So for high water, it's 0908. So first we are going to do for 0908. Okay, so 0908 means it will be coming between this. Okay, from 0600 to 1200. Okay, this is the time intervals we have to take. Either it will be going from here to here, or from here to here to here, or from here to here, or from here to here. Anyway, it can be gone. For us it will be, it is given 0908, so it will go from 0600 to 1200. Okay, so we have to take from 0600. I will be separately writing hours and minute, minus 09 hours 08. Okay, you have to take the time difference. Okay, these two time difference. If suppose you are taking from here, then you have to subtract from 1200. But suppose for example you have to find for 0325, then you will be taking time difference from 00000 hours to 0325. That means the time difference is 0325. Here the time difference will come 03 hour 08 minute. Okay, the time difference between these two, that is equal, that is into 60. We are converting into minutes. We will get 188 minutes. Okay, so next we have to take the difference between these two. This will come for 06 hours. Okay, so 0600 minus 1200, we will get 06 hours. Okay, 06 hours 00 minute into 60. We are converting into minutes. Then this difference between, okay, while you are putting arrow, you know you are putting arrow from here to here, so your arrow will be from here to here. That means we have to find the value, this time between this time interval from this, between this. From, we know that from here to here means it's increasing, so we have to write that we have to take the difference between these two. The difference between these two will be 00 hour 15 minute minus 00 hour 12 minute. Okay, we will get 360 is equal to 3. The time difference between these 3. Okay, means this will 0, this is 15 minutes, 12 minutes is 3 minutes. Then so 00 into 60 is 360. Then this is 3. We have to find for 188. For 188, what will be the answer? So x is equal to 188 into 3 divided by, we are means we are equating this, divided by 360, that is equal to 1.6. So x is equal to 00 hour 1.6 minute. Okay, then we have to add this x with this. Okay, we have to find the value between this. So from here to here it's increasing, so 00 hour 12 minute plus 00 hour 1.6 minute, so you will get 00 hour 13.6 minute. And here the symbol is negative, so you have to put negative symbol. And you have to already find the in the this time for this 0908, so you have to subtract. If the symbol is add, you have to add with 0908. Here it's subtract, so 09 hour 08 minute minus 00 hour 13.6 minute. We will get 08 hour 54.4 minute. So the new time will be, so the new time will be for the this 0908 high water is 0854.4. Okay, this is the new time interval for 0908. Now I will be doing for the low water. So low water is 0325. So we have to do the same like 0325. So 0325 is starting from here, like means from here to here. From 0200 to 0700 is 0325. So the arrow will be from here to here. From here to here also we have to add, means from 10 to 15 minutes. So we have to add. So we have to take the difference like 02 hour 00 minute minus 03 hour 25 minute. That the difference is 01 hour 25 minute into 60. Okay, we are converting into minutes, so we will get 85. Okay, we have to find the for 85. Then we have to take the difference of these 0200 minus 0700. You will get 0500, that is into 60. Okay, that you will get 300 is equal to, then you have to take the difference of these two. You will get the difference of 5. That means 00 hour 15 minutes minus 00 hour 10 minutes. Okay, you will get 5. Now we have to find for 85. So 85 is equal to x. So we have to do the you have to equate. So 300x is equal to 85 into 5. X is equal to 85 into 5 divided by 300, that is equal to 1.4, and this 1.4 is in minutes. Okay, so x is equal to 00 hour 1.4 minutes. So you got the value, then you have to, from here to here you are going, so you have to add. So 00 hour 10 minute plus 00 hour 1.4 minute, that is equal to 00 hour 11.4 minute. Okay, here also the symbol is minus. Okay, in between you got 00 hour 11.4, you have to take, and the symbol is negative, so you have to subtract from 0325 minus 00 11.4. You get 03 hour 13.6 minutes. So the new time correction for low water at 0325 is 0313.6. Next again I am writing here separately. So we have to find for high water, then water. I am just writing what I returned friend. So that is 0000 0600 1200 1800 0200 0700 1400 1900. This is standard. Then secondary is minus 0015 minus 0012, then minus 0010 minus 0014. Okay, now we have two more time corrections, that is for next will be high water, that is 2141. Okay, we will be correcting the time for 2141. So 2141 means we have to take from here to here. Okay, we have to take from here to here. That means the arrow will go from here. Okay, that means we have to add from here. So we have to take, first we have to take the difference 1800 minus 2141. Okay, we are taking from here to here, so you will get 0341, and we have to convert into minutes, that is 221. For 221 we have to find. Now we have to take the difference between these. This will come 0000 minus 1800 hours, that will be 400. We have to take the difference between these two, that is 0015 minus 0012. So the difference for this is 0600 into 60, that is equal to 3. Means we are converting this into minutes, that way I multiplied with 60, this directly into minutes. Okay, 3 minutes. So 360 is equal to 3. For 221, how much we need to find? Okay, 221 I taken from here. Okay. Then x is equal to 3 into 221 divided by 360, that is 1.8, that is in minutes. So your x is minus 00 hour 1.8 minutes. Okay, this minus I put. Then we have to find the value for x, that is 00 hour. From here it's increasing, so 12 minute plus 00 hour 1 point, you don't put minus now. Okay, 1.8 minutes. So you will get 13.8. Okay, minus. Okay, now you put minus. Okay, then you have to subtract from 2141 minus 13.8. You will get 27.2. Okay, 21, 27, 22. Now I will be taking for low water. Now low water is 1604. 1604 means it will be coming from here to here. Okay, 1604 from 1400 to 1900. So array will be from here to here. So it will be going from here to here. That means the value is in means the value should be more. So it should be greater than 10. So I will be doing from 1604. So what is the 1400 minus 1400 minus 1604. So the time interval is 0 to 04 into 60. Okay, so answer is 124. We have to find for 124. Then 1400 minus 1900. We will get 05 hour, means the difference. Okay, into again convert into minutes. Then the difference between these two will be 5. Okay, 10 minus 15. That is equal to 300 equal to 5. So we have to find for 124. So 124 is equal to x. Now x is equal to 300, x is equal to 124 into 5. So x is equal to 124 into 5 divided by 300. You will get x is equal to 2.1. So 2.1 hour minutes. Now 00 hour means this is increasing, right? 00 hour 10 minute plus 00 hour 2.1 minute. We will get x is equal to 00 hour 12.1 minute. Okay, now you have to put minus here, it's negative symbol. Now 16 hour 04 minute minus 00 hour 12.1 minute. Okay, so our answer is 15 hour 51.9. You don't need to put this hour and minutes. For your understanding, I am trying to put hour and minute. For exam, no need to put hour and minute, just directly do, straight away you can do. Now I will be writing the corrected value for the other two. So for this 1604 we get 1551.9. Then for the other 2141 is 27.2. Okay, so this is the thing that you have to find for the volume 1 tides time correction. You have to do this much. No need, if you are familiar, start doing, you will get familiarized with this and you can solve easily. But it's it's a starting. That's why I go deeply, like step by step I do deeply. So now we have to find the height correction. Now we have to again do for the height correction. This height correction is same as what we did in volume 2 and volume 3. But here I am going to explain you about the height correction once again. So we have to go. So I will be doing now for height correction. Okay. So for height correction, actually I know no need to do the separate here for height correction, but for your convenience and for my convenience, I'm doing separately for this height, because the same what we do in volume 2 and volume 3 we are applying here. So we have to go for the traditional page 416. So 416 you have to write like here. So mean high water spring. So you have to write mean high water spring, mean high water need, mean low water need, mean low water spring. Now we are going to write for the Liverpool. Okay, that is our standard book. Liverpool, that is 9.3, 7.4, 2.9, 0.9. Okay, this. We are writing this. Okay, from here I wrote this for Liverpool 9.3, 7.4, 2.9, 0.9. I have written directly. Next I will be writing for Tilbury Island, that is our secondary port. So Tilbury Island you will get this minus 0.3 minus 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.4. Okay, so you will be writing minus 0.3 minus 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.4. Now we are going to do the step by step. First we will be writing the standard time. The standard tide means what we have written here, this 1.9, 8.7, 1.2, 8.9, that we are going to write here. So first, mean high water spring is the standard code. We have to write 8.9, 8.7, 1.9, 1.2. Now the second one is remove seasonal. Okay, we have to find for see any seasonal correction is there. So for 461 we have to check for 461 will come here. Okay, we have to check for either this side or this side. Now it's in this side, so 461 will come between 445 to 464, and for March we have seasonal correction minus 0.1. So remove seasonal, I already told we have to put additional minus outside the bracket, then minus 0.41. So minus 0.1 minus 0.1 minus 0.1. So you will get the value for interpolation and extrapolation. So you can write interpolation or extrapolation. You know, each people will be teaching you different methods, so you can choose which one is convenient. Don't mix up with all this. Okay, now you will get here this you will get 9, this you will get 8.8, this you will get 2, this you will get 1.2. Means I just added these two. Okay, 8.9 plus 0.1. How this minus of minus will come plus, right? Now fourth one is correction. This correction means we have to find the interpolation value for this. Interpolation value I have already done in my previous video, so you can check for the interpolation that you have to find for 9. You have to put 9 here, then take these values and do interpolation. I am here taking directly. So you will get for 9 minus 0.28. For 8.8 you will get minus 0.27. For 2 you will get plus 0.29. Why here plus? Because these values are plus, here these values are negative. That's why here negative and here plus. Plus 0.36. Now apply seasonal. Now apply seasonal. That will be directly you have to put minus 0.1. You don't need to put any additional signs. Just write what is the seasonal correction in the tide table. Minus 0.1 minus 0.1. Now you will be doing the algebraic sum of these three. Okay, these three you will be doing the algebraic sum. That is the height of Hilbre Island. That will be the final corrected height of Hilbre Island. So I'm just putting this so you can. So you will get here 8.62, 8.43, 2.19 and 1.56. So I will be writing here the corrected tide. The corrected tide will be 2.19, 8.43, 1.56, 8.62. Okay, so I will be writing here separately. So we have find out the corrected height and time correction for Hilbre Island, that is 0313.6. We got 2.19, 0854.4. We got 8.43, 1551.9. We got 1.56, 2127.2. You got 8.62. So this is your answer. And in the question it's mentioned that you have to find the height of tide at 10:30 hours. That means you have to do graph, then you have to find the height of tide at 10:30. So you know that 10:30 will come between these two. Okay, and here one thing, you in volume 1 you will be having each graph for each standard code. So I will be taking Liverpool. I will be taking Liverpool for the correction. Means for graph I will be taking Liverpool. See, Liverpool they have given the separate graph. Okay, now we will be doing for the graph. Okay, for graph. Now we are going to start doing the graph. So you know the high water means 10:30 will come between these two. That means it is rising then falling. So the graph will come like rising then falling. Okay. Now the difference is here it's given the mean ranges. Okay. For spring, that means the straight line. This is spring, and the dotted line is 4.5. So 4.5 is only still here. Rest all is 8.4. Now we are marking the high water, that is 0, 8, 5, 4. Then we have to add 0, 9, 5, 4, 10, 5, 4, 11, 5, 4, 12, 5, 4. We have to find for 10:30. Okay, 10:30 means hit the 9:54. This will come 10:04, 10:14, 10:24. So 10:30 will come between these two. Okay, these two 10:30 will come. And here one thing, you have to take the difference of in volume 2 and volume 3 while plotting graph. You will take the difference of, you will take time difference. Okay, you will take these two difference and start plotting, but here you will take the difference between tides. That means 8.43 minus 1.56, that means 6.87 is your tide difference. But we cannot plot 6.87 here. So what we will do, we will just directly go and meet the 8.4 line. Okay, because we cannot do anything here. So we will be directly taking 10:30 here. 10:30 we will touch this. Actually 6.87 is the difference, but we cannot take 6.87. So we will touch in the 8.4 this line. Then we have to, okay, then the other thing we have to, first we have to draw a line for this high water and mean water. This is high water, so 8.43 will come here. Okay, I taken like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8.4, I taken 8.4. Then here 0, 1.56. That means I taken here 1.6. Then I join these two. First you have to do this. Okay, sorry guys, I have just missed out. You have to first draw this, then you have to do start putting high water here. Why I started from this to why I added this, because my height is rising then lowering. Means my height is rising then falling. But if suppose the height is like reverse, means 1.56 and 8.43, means my means from fallen to rising. That means I will write my height here and I will start plotting writing to here. But here it's rising and falling, so that's why I added, that's why I put my time interval to that. Now you have to meet with this point. Now you have to extend this. Okay, now you have to extend this. That means it will come around here. Okay, better you take your roller scale or parallel ruler, so that you will get approximate. You have to extend where this slope touches, then you extend with this. So I will get around 7 and 7.2. So the height of tide at 10:30 hours is 7.2 meters. So this is your final answer. If suppose it's not mentioned anything, you have to just write the corrected time and corrected high tide of that port. That's it. If it's mentioned something extra, then you have to do 0.3 degree, 0.3 degree, 0.8 degree into 60. See, you will get 188. So you have to always put these degrees, otherwise you will get into wrong. And for okay, here 1.6 minutes. Okay, now you have to add, this is okay, you can directly add 12 minutes plus 1, means what you get is here minutes. Okay, don't put here directly 1.6, then you add with 00 hour 12 minutes plus 1.6, then you will make it wrong. Here also you have to do like 09 hour 08 minute, that means degrees, minus 00 degree 13.6 degree. So you will get 08 hour 54 point. This 24 you can convert this into minutes. Is 24.4 minutes. So always while converting into minutes and all, you have to put into degrees, then into 60. Otherwise, you will not get correct answer. So guys, if you get any idea about this, then subscribe my channel, like my videos, maximum support my videos. That's all. So thank you for today.